Good morning students. My name is Mohit and I'm a mathematics teacher in Mount Ritra Z School, Jhansi. So today we will do the revision of chapter 1, that is numbers. So before starting this chapter we need to know what is the number system. As you know that to know the place value of any digit in a number, we must know the number system. So there are two number systems, that is first Indian place value system and the second is international place value system. So let's talk about Indian place value system first. As you can see that Indian place value system, there are four sections, as we can read that ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. And in one section there are three subsections like ones, tens, hundreds. In thousand that is thousand, 10,000, lakhs in lakhs and 10 lakhs, and in crores that is crores and 10 crores. So the numbers can be changed into each other by multiplying or dividing by 10. For example, if I need to go from ones to tens, I will multiply it by 100, and tens to 100 I have to multiply by 10. So this is the relation between every number. So, and if I want to go back, like from 10 crores I have to go back into crores, I have to divide by 10, divide by 10, divide by 10, like this. And if I will go back, I have to multiply by 10. So how we will understand this number system? So we have to read it like this, like ones, tens, hundred from the back side, like ones, tens, hundreds, then thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. So this is the Indian place value system. For example, I have written over here. So in example this, you can see that there is also the main thing that we need to put commas also to read it in Indian place value system. So how we will put the commas? As you can see in the table also that in before every section I have put the commas. It means before every section means ones, tens, hundred means from the last three digits you need to put comma. Then again, not again. Now before two digits, now before every two digits you need to put commas, because there are two sections like thousands, there is 1,000, 10,000, then comma. In lakhs, then is lakhs, 10 lakhs, then comma. Then crores, crores and 10 crores. So like this we need to put commas over here. So what I have done over here, like ones, tens, hundred, comma, ones and 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma. If we have the value in crores and 10 crores, then only. So this is the value. So how we will read it? 87 lakhs 65,432, and like this way you have to write it also. Okay, so I hope you understand the value of Indian place value system. Now we will talk about the international place value system. In international place value system, like if I talk about, there are four sections, or I have shown over here three sections. You can understand fourth section also, that I will explain you in the last, like ones, thousands and millions, and before millions billions will come, means in the table. So in ones there are three sections, in thousand there is also three sections, millions also three sections, and then billions will also come in the three sections. So there is the only similarity in Indian place value system and the international place value system, there is the section of ones, because both the sections having three subsections, that is ones, tens and hundreds, and there also we are having the three sections in Indian number system. So how we will read it, like ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million and 100 million. I have written example number 1 over here. So in example number 1, like there is 1 2 3 3 9 4 4 7. So I need to write it in according to international system of numeration or Indian place value system. So what I will do, so as you know that in this international system of numeration or Indian place value system, the comma will come before every three digits, not before first three digits then two digits, because that is the Indian place value system. But in this international place value system, we need to put commas before every three digits from the last. So like 744, then comma, then 3933, then comma, then 2, 1 and 2. So in this we will read it like 12 million, because in millions there is 3 is 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 12,339,447, like this. So, and one more thing, you know that in 1 million we can write it like 1, there is 6 zeros, like 1 2 3, then comma 1 2 3. So from the last you can see the comma is already there, like 1 2 3, then comma, then 1 2 3, then comma, then 1. So we can read as 1 million. And if we want to write it according to Indian place value system, we will put comma first before 3 digits, then before 2 digits, like 1 2 3 comma, then 1 2 comma. Now we will read it 10 lakhs. So this is Indian number system, Indian place value system, and this is according to international place value system. So I hope you understand it. Now let's come on the next topic, that is face value and place value. As you have already studied, like what is face value? It describes the value of the digits, or what is the place value? States the position of a digit in a given number. So as you had already studied the Indian number system, Indian place value system and international place value system, now you will be able to find out its place value. So if I talk about like 2486, and if I write and if I ask that what is the face value and the place value, you can see over here the face value is the number, it is the digit itself. Like if I underline the digit 8 and I need to find the place value and the face value, so the face value is 8 itself, but what is the place value? We need to read it like ones, tens, hundreds. So 8 is at 100th place, so it will be multiplied by 100. It means 800 is the place value. Now let's see the next example, that is 599376. So we need to find the place value and face value of underlined digit. So we will read it once. So face value is the digit itself, that is 9. But what is the place value? That is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. Means it will be multiplied by 10,000. So the place value will be 90,000. This is according to Indian place value system. So I will be giving some questions in the homework. So you need to do that in your notebook. The procedure I will tell you in the notebook. So stay connected and stay practice. All the best, students.